Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. Whether I'm writing a note, labeling something, or even crafting, this Sharpie Permanent Marker Variety Pack serves me well. And I love the three different thicknesses of the marker tips. And because each one comes in a set of two, I was able to share. The classic fine point is so excellent for sticky notes and is just an all-around great size. The ultra fine point is excellent for my card making and for doodling. The chisel point is just excellent for the larger jobs, like labeling boxes or making posters. And they really dry quickly, and it's just amazing the different surfaces that they work on. I love how versatile this set of Sharpie permanent markers is. It is a staple both in our office as well as our home in general. And that's our point of view.